sir. My name is Glenn Nagalia, 46 years old, married. I have three children. They are 26, 24, and 22 years old, high school graduate, and I have work experience here in Philippines as a helper for 2 years. My main duties is cleaning, washing, ironing, preparing food, and taking care for the child. I have also work experience in Lebanon as a domestic helper, and my main duties is cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, preparing food, and cooking a basic Arabic food and taking care for the child. I have also work experience in Hong Kong as a domestic helper, and my main duties is cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and cooking a basic Chinese food. It depends upon my madam instruction, and taking care for the child. And to my future employer, I will promise that I will do my very best, do my responsibilities, and I will treat your family as I am my own family. And I am reliable, trustworthy, independent, and you can trust me. And I will respect and follow your rules, ma'am. And that's all by now. Thank you. Bye bye.